Power tools are essential in modern carpentry and woodworking, offering efficiency, precision, and the ability to tackle more demanding projects. Among the most commonly used power tools are drills, saws, and sanders. Understanding their basic functions, types, and safety precautions is crucial for any beginner or enthusiast. Drills. Drills are versatile tools used for making holes in driving screws. They come in various types, including corded and cordless models. Corded drills offer consistent power and are generally more powerful than cordless drills. They require an electrical outlet and are ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Cordless drills provide portability and convenience, powered by rechargeable batteries. They are suitable for a wide range of tasks but may lack the power of corded models for very demanding jobs. Hammer drills feature a hammering action for drilling into masonry and concrete. They can be corded or cordless. Impact drivers, designed primarily for driving screws and bolts, they deliver rotational impacts for increased torque, making them ideal for heavy-duty fastening tasks. Safety tips: always wear safety glasses when using a drill to protect your eyes from debris. Secure your workpiece to prevent movement. Use the appropriate drill bit for the material and task. Saws. Saws are used to cut wood and other materials. Power saws come in various types, each suited to specific cutting tasks. Circular saw, a handheld saw with a circular blade, ideal for straight cuts in lumber and sheet goods. It can be fitted with different blades for various materials. Miter saw features a blade mounted on a swing arm, allowing for precise crosscuts and miter cuts. It's excellent for framing, molding, and trim work. Table saw, a powerful saw with a circular blade protruding through a table, providing stability for ripping lumber and making precise cuts. It's a staple in many woodworking shops. Jigsaw, used for cutting curves and complex shapes. It has a narrow blade that moves up and down, suitable for cutting intricate designs in wood, metal, and plastic. Reciprocating saw features a push and pull blade action, ideal for demolition work, cutting through nails, and rough cutting. Safety tips: wear safety goggles and hearing protection. Ensure the saw blade is sharp and appropriate for the material. Use clamps to secure the workpiece, keeping hands clear of the blade path. Sanders. Sanders is used to smoothing surfaces, remove material, and prepare wood for finishing. They come in several types, each with unique applications. Orbital sander uses a circular sanding pad that moves in small ellipses, providing a fine finish suitable for final sanding before finishing. Random orbital sander combines circular and orbital motions for a swirl-free finish. It's versatile and can handle both rough and fine sanding tasks. Belt sander features a continuous loop sanding belt, ideal for rapid material removal and leveling large surfaces. It's more aggressive and less suited for fine finishing. Detail sander, small and designed for tight spaces and detailed work, such as corners and intricate profiles. Safety tips: wear a dust mask to avoid inhaling fine particles. Secure the workpiece to prevent movement. Keep the sander moving to avoid creating grooves or uneven surfaces. General safety precautions. Personal protective equipment, PPE. Always wear appropriate PPE, including safety glasses, hearing protection, and dust masks or respirators when necessary. Tool maintenance: regularly inspect and maintain your tools. Check cords for damage, ensure blades are sharp and properly installed, and keep moving parts lubricated. Workspace safety: keep your workspace clean and organized. Remove tripping hazards and ensure adequate lighting. Never carry a plugged-in tool with your finger on the trigger. Proper training: understand how to use each tool correctly. If unsure, seek instruction or refer to the manufacturer's guidelines. By familiarizing yourself with the basics of drills, saws, and sanders, and adhering to safety practices, you can effectively and safely incorporate power tools into your carpentry projects, enhancing both the efficiency and quality of your work.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tips and project ideas. And here's something special: if you're ready to build your own Adirondack chair, we've got a detailed guide just for you. Download it now and take the first step toward your